only and only there's a three-way can make money in this world. Only three-way. Three-way can make money. So basically, what I do, what is the source of the income? Actually, journalize. I journalize, and I make this. I'm going to make this video. So I analyze all the way. Then I find there is only three-way can make money. So I'm going to explain here. By the way, my name is Samdesh Kumar. I am a writer, trainer, life coach, and motivational speaker. By profession, I am a IT engineer. I work corporate more than 22 years. 8 years I work as an entrepreneur. My own IT company here in Singapore. Then after this, I come in the investment line. Then I found the investment line is the best way to earn money for me. Not only for me and most of the people. When you go through the end of this full video, then you find the investment is the best method, and my main source of income is the investment this time. The first method, you can make money or you can earn money by selling your time. So what is the meaning of selling your time? Selling of time means you look for the place, a system where you can sell your time. And this is also called the job, means you are doing the job. So you have to develop your skill. According to your skill, your time will be sold. Means your buyer will buy your time. But once the technology and the automation are going very fast, very fast. So whatever your skill today maybe is not be used tomorrow. I means tomorrow the different skill is needed. Your skill is not needed. So when a skill not needed, the buyer will not buy your time. It means you will be retrenched. That is called the retrench. You will be the retrench. But then you have to look for the other buyer, and if you are not able to get the buyer to buy your time, then you have to upgrade your skill. You have to go for other courses on this one or that one. That is the only way. But after this also, you are not able to do. Means if you are not able to upgrade your skill because of the age, or you cannot pick up and this one, or you don't have money to upgrade your skill and this one, then that time you will be very trouble. That time you will be very trouble. So the nowadays in the job also is a risk. Anyway, the job is also the risk. Once you retrench, means your job is gone. So job is what I say is equal to sell your time plus job risk. The second way is you develop a system. Second way means you develop a system and the people will come and sell the time. Means the first category who is doing the job, they will come to your place and they sell the time. Means you have your idea, and that idea, by that you have to set up the company where this idea will be executed. Means you will produce some product or service. So this idea is produce the product and service. For product and the service, you need the people who will sell the time, and they use their system and produce the thing. So in the business, in the business, you need the idea, and after this, you have to also sell the time. Means when you open the company, every day you have to go to the company. There, you are also selling the time. You are selling the time without salary. And after this, you have to invest the money. You have to invest the money for the whole operation. And after investment, every month is the operational cost. Every month is the operational cost. So, actually, this around 35 years, 22 years I work for the company, and 8 years I opened my own system, my business. Then I found out business is very, very tough, very, very tough. Out of 1,000 business, only 10 or 15 or hardly 25 success. Most of the business is fail. Most of the businesses fail. So, there actually implies is not work for employer. Employer work for employee. Means once they come here to sell the time, employer will arrange the job, work for the people who is working in the company. If the work is not there, then their employees will be sit, and still you have to pay the salary. Still you have to pay the salary. So we can say employer is working for employee. What I feel, when I was working, I was thinking that employees is working for employer. That is wrong. And in the business, the toughest thing is you have to take the liability. Whether you make profit or not profit, you have to pay the rent, you have to pay the salary, you have to pay the CPF and everything. Everything you have to pay. The most risky part is here is the liability. Now I'm telling you, the coronavirus. Just ask the factory owner or office owner. When set up the factory, they arrange a whole setup. They arrange the manpower. Then everything is start working. Now it's gone. Everything is collapsed. When they start again, they have to do everything. This one. So it's a very, very, very tough. But still, they are paying the rent, electricity, everything. So this is called the thing, and this is the very, very high risk. Then I say the business is your idea. You sell your time without salary, and your investment and liability, operational cost, and the risk. It's a very, very, very tough. Okay, this is the third way. The third way is the investment method. So here we can give with the equation. The investment is basically no need to sell your time plus no liability plus risk. This is equation of the investment. No need to sell the time. So what is the investment? So the second way I told you that create system, start doing the business. Okay. But your business is giving very good profit. Business is giving a very good profit, then and you are getting more clients, and your present company is not able to deliver or not able to take the new clients, but is giving the profit. You are able to give the operational cost, everything, and we are making some profit. We are bringing money to your home also as a director or MD, whatever it is. But you cannot deliver, then you need the expansion. For that case, what you have to do? For expansion, you need the money. But your company is giving the money, it's okay. But the thing is, it's not enough to set up a new company or new office. That time you need the fund. That time you need the fund. That case, what you do? You look for the investor. Okay. He finds some people, they have the money, this businessman. They say, okay, what you do is, you have money. My business is doing very well. I'm getting new client, but I'm not taking that client. What we can do is, I set up the company, you invest the money there. And the profit we will share. Means, a person who is having the money and they don't have the idea or they don't want to do the business. They are looking for the opportunity where a running business is there who is looking for the expansion. There these people say, okay, I will invest the money, you set up new company. You set up new company, then I will invest there and there is some agreement, they will share the profit. When these people invest the money over there, but this investor they will not go to their company for daily operation or seeing the thing. So they are not selling the time, they are free after investing the money. And they have no liability. Means the worker is not there, engineer is not there, somebody resigned, this one, that one, operational cost. He don't have this headache. Only he is periodically he look for the profit. That's all. So this is called the investment. These people, what they do, they invest somewhere, then after this look for the other place where they can invest the money. This is how these people think. So I will explain you with this example. There are the two rich people is there, the Bill Gates and the Warren Buffett. Bill Gates is the Microsoft company. He is doing the expansion. Then he do the expansion, he need the fund. Then the Warren Buffett say, okay, I will invest money to your company. You saying, give me the profit. Okay. The Warren Buffett invest the money, he make the profit. Same way, Warren Buffett invest lot of money in Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is expanding their business in some other country, he invest there. So Warren Buffett is also earning the same money as much as the Bill Gates. But whose life is very easy is a Warren Buffett. But investment is a skill. Investment is a skill. It takes time. You have the capability to evaluate the business model and the history of the company and all this thing. Once you have this capability and in the investment when to in, when to out, and what is the tracking of the ROI, means return of investment. If you find this company is this investment, you can get back your capital and all this thing periodically, this one, then the investor will go. So develop this skill, it takes time, it's not come to one shot. Actually, I told you that I work very long corporate, 22 years, then open my company 8 years. Then I come to investment side. There is a story behind this. When I was running my IT company, one customer came. He said, I need this finance application, this one. I'm like, okay, I develop the thing. Then he said, okay. After 2 months, he came, Kumar, why not you invest your money in this one and you get the profit? Actually, he paid $52,000, so I don't want to, I cannot say no. But I don't know that time what is the investment. I just throw the money because he also paid $1,000. I throw the money. And I deliver the product, he started using. After 7 months, he called me, hey, Kumar, did you see your account? I mean, what account? Last time you invest money in my application. You know what is that? Yeah, that one is the online business, is worldwide. This one, yeah, my company doing very well. You saw your account, how much the money? हमने कहा, I don't know the password. Then he fetch my password, give it to me. Then we'll surprise that money, 1,000 become a $28,000. $28,000. It was my eye opening. Just I throw $1,000. How come it become $28,000? Then I reverse engineering. I did the reverse engineering. Then I found there are many company, many people, they have lot of ideas and it's work. If you invest the money, you can make money. I'm taking one example. Like when the Facebook came, people say something is come and suddenly going to Google on the top. Immediately investor go there and they invest the money. They say to the Facebook box, hey, why not you are doing this one worldwide? Because that time he made for his hostel to communicate the protocol. Then after he become hostel very famous, then he go on the Google on the top. They say, why not you make this one in the worldwide? Then the people throw the money. And the first 2 years, Facebook never make money. But who invests in the Facebook, even at $10,000, and 3 years time, and they become a millionaire. They become a millionaire. So you have the vision. You should have the vision. This business model or this innovation will work or not. Money is in the innovation. I'm making the other video also. Innovation business model. I am the investor in the innovation business model. Who invests the money in the youth to make money? This one. So who invests the money in the WhatsApp? They become millionaire. So this is the skill and this is the vision. That one I will cover in the next video. And this video have a many video, and just look for the new video, and this is will be very useful for you. Okay friends, this is my contact number 923129490, and WhatsApp number is same. My mail is mail@samreskumar.com, and my YouTube channel is there. In the YouTube channel I'm sharing many things, my experience, and my Facebook. And this category, finance and the investment, this is my first video. For this one I'm planning to make, I think, 50 to 60 video to cover the thing, because through this video actually I am sharing my experience, how I earn the money, and sharing my experience. In parallel, I am designing my workshop for the investment, because for me a person is good investor when he coming in the field of investment. He should learn how to not lose money in investment. He should not think how to make money in investment. This one I am covering this thing in my workshop. So you go to my website, there you can see the workshops and all this. I will give you some detail of my workshop over there. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.